As cities expand and traffic congestion rises, so does our concern for the impact of diesel engines on our planet. Diesel fuel transportation has long been associated with harmful emissions, air pollution, and health risks. But fear not, because electric cars are rapidly gaining momentum as a cleaner and greener alternative. If we talk about the statistics of automotive industry, there are around 1 billion diesel engine cars on the road as compared to electric car, which is only 10 million. Fortunately, electric cars are poised to replace diesel engines, offering an array of benefits that are hard to ignore. Why we prefer electric car over the diesel engine? Here are several reasons. Greenhouse gas emissions. Diesel fuel combustion releases carbon dioxide, CO2, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. Diesel engines are known to emit higher levels of CO2 compared to gasoline engines, which increases the carbon footprint of transportation. Particulate matter and air pollution. Diesel engines emit significant amounts of particulate matter, PM, which consists of tiny particles that can be inhaled into the lungs. These particles contribute to air pollution and have adverse health effects, especially for those living in urban areas with high diesel traffic. Nitrogen oxide, NOx. Emissions. Diesel engines also produce nitrogen oxides, NOx, which are air pollutants and contribute to smog formation. NOx emissions from diesel vehicles are a significant contributor to poor air quality and can cause respiratory issues and other health problems. Toxic emissions. Diesel fuel contains various toxic substances, such as benzene, formaldehyde, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. These pollutants have been linked to respiratory illnesses, cancer, and other adverse health effects. Environmental impacts of fuel extraction. Diesel fuel is derived from crude oil, which requires extensive extraction and refining processes. These activities can lead to environmental degradation, habitat destruction, and oil spills that harm ecosystems, wildlife, and water sources. Dependency on fossil fuels. Diesel fuel is a non-renewable resource, and its usage contributes to the continued dependence on fossil fuels. The reliance on diesel transportation limits the transition to cleaner and more sustainable energy sources, such as renewable energy or electrification. Electric engines, particularly those used in electric vehicles, EVs, offer several advantages over diesel fuel engines. Zero emissions at point of use. Electric engines produce zero tailpipe emissions, meaning they do not emit pollutants like carbon dioxide, CO2, nitrogen oxides, NOx, particulate matter, PM, or other harmful gases. This significantly reduces air pollution and improves air quality, leading to better public health outcomes. Renewable energy integration. Electric engines can be powered by renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, or hydroelectric power. This allows for a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, as renewable energy is a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. Energy efficiency. Electric engines are generally more energy efficient than diesel engines. They can convert a higher percentage of the energy stored in their batteries into actual driving power, resulting in less wasted energy and improved overall efficiency. This translates to greater mileage or range per unit of energy consumed. Reduced noise pollution. Electric engines operate much quieter than diesel engines, leading to reduced noise pollution in urban areas. This has positive implications for noise-sensitive environments, residential areas, and the overall well-being of individuals living near busy transportation routes. Lower maintenance costs. Electric engines have fewer moving parts compared to diesel engines, which means they generally require less maintenance and have a lower risk of mechanical failure. This can result in reduced maintenance and repair costs over the lifetime of the vehicle. Renewable resource dependency. Unlike diesel fuel, electricity can be generated from a variety of renewable sources. By shifting to electric engines, we can reduce our dependence on finite fossil fuel reserves and promote the use of clean, renewable energy sources. Technological advancements. Electric engine technology is advancing rapidly, with ongoing research and development efforts aimed at improving battery performance, charging infrastructure, and overall efficiency. As technology continues to evolve, electric engines are expected to become even more efficient and cost-effective. Government incentives. Many governments around the world offer incentives to promote the adoption of electric cars. These incentives can include tax credits, rebates, or subsidies, making electric vehicles more affordable for consumers. Lower center of gravity. Electric cars typically have a lower center of gravity compared to combustion engine vehicles. This is due to the placement of heavy batteries in the lower part of the vehicle, improving stability and reducing the risk of rollovers. Enhanced safety features. Electric cars often incorporate advanced safety features including traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking systems, ABS, and electronic stability programs, ESP. These features enhance vehicle stability, control, and overall safety. We'll explore the exciting advancements in electric vehicle technology, from longer driving ranges and improved battery performance to the expanding network of charging infrastructure. With each passing day, electric cars are becoming more accessible, efficient, and practical for everyday use. So if you're curious about the future of transportation and how electric cars are revolutionizing the way we move, make sure to stay tuned. Join us on this journey as we uncover the drawbacks of diesel engines and witness the rise of electric cars as the cleaner and more sustainable alternative.